Ki Samla Pule jangka Central Postgraduate Studies in Agricultural Science CAU Imphal yam mentakasngi kilami ba ban penlong ya kajing ya ki kabajur halor kajing keno ba wei professor Pranab Datta ulale Kynshleiñ ya arngut Ki Samla Pule Kynthei jangka te school ba hakani kajing ya ki Samla Pule kilara plakat bat banner hapla wa school ba daka Dawa ban Weng Mardor ya ute professor Hendrei ru ban penlong ya kajing toket kaba ba bat ka bahok halor kate ka jingkno laong ru baya kani ka kam la ban ujor shaka internal complaint committee ICC jong kate ka school ba ban shim khia ban le ya ka padon kam kat kum ka an ka jinga khi jong Ki Samla Pule kala khata ru ya ka jing tre kam ba jong kate ka school ba hadu ba Khubor Senshar district rengkat bat Khubor pulit ka ribhoi kila hab ban wan tuklar bat penjai ya ka jing kenat bat ban betha ya Khubor ba dei pet kate ka school ba ban penlong ya ka jing toket ka ba Mardor bat ban ai ya ka kai pot halor kate ka jing keno ya utei professor Ki Samla Pule kila pan paru ba kindang yai beteng ban pet ngor ya ka jing yat shaprang jo ka jing toket bat kin om sange Hendrei rada kim hun ya ka kai pot jong ka internal complaint committee kin sa shim de ki wei pat ki senjam ki ba kan thopru ban ujor daga ijahar shaki pulet.
Unless you can submit to us the proofs. Nobody has submitted the proofs to us except the WhatsApp messages which we have filed on our board.
This class number 1 or something else has been given before in front of us. CAU is having that. Do you have that paper? Have you read? Where is there? How many days is there? What is written? No, book. CAU is there. You are the external committee. Have you seen that? Yeah. Ma'am,
सुनो जब भागीरथ जी आए थे तब संडे को क्या खुल गया है जवाब दो बातें होगी जेल होगी
सुनो सर एक और बात
response, then our planning is to call the two complainant individually, separately, and call also respondent separately. After that, we can, according to the post act, we are proceeding step by step.
Sir, is it allowed that
That's the only immediate suggestion we could give while the inquiry is still going on.
While the inquiry is still going on, the immediate action that you could have taken was the immediate action that you could have taken was to refrain that person from interacting with the students. But that person can still interact with the committee members.
No, during the inquiry, unless we call him for the inquiry,
And
not in contact with
Did you call for a
us
hearing of the
personally.
students who put the complaint?
We thought of sitting today, but then this happened.
Because the transfer order came out on the 8th against the alleged professor, right?
Sir, I want to add something with your permission.
Lodged. So what have you done? Have you done any inquiry or anything?
Immediately, ma'am, immediately, sir, I received one letter from the complainant number 1 at 4:30. Immediately in front, I called my committee members to my chamber, and after that, I just discussed with them and.
Who are the committee members?
Committee members, please come. The two complainants is guided by that one of the professor, and that professor was primarily that one of the member of our IC. So that we are requesting to our dean that co-opted one member instead of Dr. Mahesh Pathak. Okay, sir. After that, dean is nominated that Dr. Lala Ipra is the co-opted member. But we all 5 are the last 24 say. Sir, we are the internal committee member, and I am the chairman.
Okay, ma'am. I just want to know कि जब May 6 में complaint मिला, then what action did you take?
एक्शन सर मेरा कमिटी मेंबर को मैं इन्फॉर्म किया जे ये एक स्टूडेंट PhD स्कॉलर with the hard document coming to me and saying that these are things happened and sexually harassed by the Dr. Pranab Datta, one of the professor of School of Crop Protection. So after that, date 6, already that time is over, sir. Our time is 5 o'clock. So everybody is in a hurry.
What time you received the complaint?
4:30.
4:30.
Sir. So 5, after 5, everybody is
On May 7, what did you do?
7, sir, we are sitting, calling my all members and one confidential meeting with the in presence of the external online mode, and we discuss what we can do. Then in the meantime also another mail received from the second complainant. Then I can advise it to that girl, whatever you are saying, just to put a mail as a complaint for the presently now, and after that you send your hard copy. So as per my chairman, I advised her this much. After that we receiving 2 complainants. Then
So one thing I would like to add here. So written
act, we are on process.
Ma'am, I agree that you are on process. Don't talk. मैम, जब मैंने आपको कहा है कि मैंने रिटर्न कंप्लेंट दिया, आप तो बोल सकते हो नहीं दिया है, मैंने मेल नहीं किया था.
ऐसा नहीं है.
होता
ऐसा
है. होता है मैम.
ऐसा नहीं है. We are
Return तो देना चाहिए.
receiving to hard copy. कैसे हम बोलेंगे कि कंप्लेंट रिसीव नहीं किया? We are 2 complainant. We are received the mail with the 2 hard copies, sir. So already all are going on proper procedure as per the 2013 Post Act, and online also our external member also always present with us, and my member also to second date 7 we are working, sir, up to 9 o'clock in the college.
And what decision did you make?
Decision, sir, as per the Post Act, 1 counselor is appointed for students, complainants, and immediately
Against the person?
against the person, sir, as per the external ma'am suggested, and Post Act rule also, that refrain to that respondent from the surrounding.
I don't get it.
Find him from
Yes,
coming.
sir.
All the students of CPGS AS Umyam, we have come together to protest against the sexual harassment of our 2 fellow research scholars by the chairman of School of Crop Protection, Professor Pranam Datta, and the girls have been sexually harassed by the professor. So we have come together to stand and fight against the sexual harassment. And also we are truly disturbed by how the internal complaint committee has been handling the case. So we want justice, and we want
since he has not been terminated or any legal notice or circular has been made till now, because such kind of faculty or a person shouldn't be allowed in the campus or anywhere in this academic campus. So we want a complete termination for him, and until the further notice, we want him to be stay out of this campus, and that's our major demand. And we need an external complaint committee to look into the matter further, because we have no trust in the internal complaint committee. That's what we are doing.
the victims have reported this has happened since the previous past few months. He has started this since last few months.
We will put further complaints to the higher and higher authorities, and we won't stop until and unless he got terminated from this university.